Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel video course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to merge or concatenate the columns using a Power Query. So let's start the tutorial.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Before continuing this video tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous video tutorial. In that video tutorial, I have explained how to read a JSON file or JSON data into an Excel table using a Power Query. That link will be available at this end of this video tutorial, or you can find that video tutorial on my channel Excel playlist. So let's start the today's tutorial, how to merge or concatenate the columns using a Power Query or query editor. Using a query editor, click the data. In this data, get transformed from table. Select that one. Now where is the data for a table? Here we have already contains the data. Just for the time saving, I have created one small table: ID, EMP name, email and mobile. Now select this all. Now my table has headers. Of course I have a table headers here, so I have checked that one also. Click OK. And now we got the data, the Excel table data into a query editor. Now I will add one new column to join this EMP name and email. When we want to join or concatenate, the data types must be same. Here the EMP name and email are the string data types, text data types. So first let's add one new column. For that, at the top menu there is an add column here. Click that one. Now in the add column there is a custom column here. In the general option there is a second one called custom column. Click that one. And here the new column name, let's give the new column name merge column. I am giving this merge column. You can give any name here. Now here the formula is, I am selecting the EMP name. Click insert. Notice here we got EMP name between the square brackets. After that, when we want to concatenate, we have to use ampersand, double ampersand, and the double quotes. I want to give a dash between this space and dash between the two values, EMP name and email. Now let's select email. Click insert. Here we have added EMP name and email. I am concatenating. No syntax errors have been detected. Click OK. And here we got the merge column jack@gmail.com. Now this one, let's put this on a Excel sheet. Go to home. In the close to load, click that one. Select how you want to view this data in your workbook. I'm selecting the table option. Don't select only create connection, select the table option. After that, I want to display on the existing worksheet. I'm selecting that one. On this worksheet only I want to display. Now I'm selecting the new range I have selected. If we try to overlap the same columns, it will get an error. So it gives some other new range. Select the range I have selected. Click OK. Load. See, here we got the new data with the merge column jack@gmail.com. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to concatenate or join two columns using a Power Query or query editor. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.